Hello, beautiful people. Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. If you love creativity, elegance, handmade beauty, and timeless fashion, then you are absolutely in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share with you a stunning collection of some of the most beautiful, stylish, and inspiring crochet ideas and designs you will ever see. From elegant fashion pieces to cozy home decor to unique handmade masterpieces, this collection is filled with creativity, beauty, and endless inspiration. So sit back, relax, enjoy every design, and let these amazing crochet creations inspire your next project. Crochet is more than just yarn and a hook. It is art, it is passion, it is creativity brought to life stitch by stitch. Every design tells its own story. Every pattern carries its own personality, and every handmade piece reflects dedication, patience, and love. As you watch this collection, you'll discover breathtaking crochet, designs that combine modern fashion with timeless handmade beauty. You'll see gorgeous crochet tops, elegant blouses, stylish cardigans, beautiful dresses, and fashionable accessories that can transform any wardrobe into something truly special. Notice the incredible details in every stitch, the beautiful textures, the unique patterns, and the perfect blend of colors that make each piece stand out. Some designs are simple and classy, while others are bold, artistic, and full of personality. And crochet isn't only about fashion. It also brings warmth, beauty, and creativity into our homes. In this collection, you'll also discover beautiful crochet home decor ideas, stunning table runners, decorative pillow covers, cozy blankets, elegant wall decorations, handmade baskets, and many other creative pieces that can turn any space into something warm, stylish, and inviting. As each design appears on your screen, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship, the creativity, and the endless possibilities that crochet offers. You might discover your next favorite design, your next fashion inspiration, or even your next crochet project. Crochet continues to evolve, blending traditional techniques with modern style, creating pieces that are both fashionable and timeless. That's what makes crochet so beautiful, it never goes out of style. I'd love to know which design inspires you the most. Is it the elegant clothing pieces, the cozy home decorations, or the bold artistic creations? Keep watching until the end, because every design in this collection brings something unique, beautiful, and unforgettable. If you enjoy beautiful crochet ideas and stylish handmade designs, be sure to support this journey by following for more amazing crochet inspiration, creative ideas, and stunning collections from around the world. Now, let's enjoy this beautiful collection of the most stylish, elegant, and adorable crochet ideas and designs. Enjoy the beauty, enjoy the creativity, and most importantly, stay inspired.